Hello student. So student, today our topic is oxidation state. Oxidation state, that means if any types of elements, the numbers of electron when we distribute in different orbit according to Bohr-Bury or above. So the outermost cell present numbers of electron, it's called valence electron, and this valence electron or vacant place, if the numbers of element donate or accept, after that it's represent positive or negative. For example, chlorine. So chlorine, the total numbers of electron is or atomic number is 17. So the numbers of electron is also 17. So the distribution of electron is 2, 8, and 7. So according to octet in the outermost cell, one required to fulfill the outermost cell because the valence electron of chlorine is 7. So when they receive one numbers of electron, it's fulfill the outermost cell. So the valency of chlorine is 1 and the oxidation state is -1. It means if any elements after donating or receiving the electron and fulfill the outermost cell, and this numbers we represent with the help of charge sign, so it is called oxidation state or oxidation number. So the oxidation state means the valence equal to the numbers of electron present in the outermost cell, and the terms oxidation state interchangeably means valence, and fluorine has the oxidation state of 1 but in compound like OF2 it exhibit +2 oxidation state, and oxidation state determines the oxidation number of the elements. And next thing, this is the diagonal relationship, a new definition. So diagonal relationship, that means the cross. Suppose if any types of square, uh, the corner is ABCD, so AC or BD, this is the diagonal. And these types of things also in our modern periodic table. Suppose if any elements, the some types of character are differ to each family member, and these types of character are similar to next group and next period, and make a relation. So these types of relation are called diagonal relation. For example, lithium magnesium. So lithium is the first group member and second period, and magnesium, it is a second group and third period member. Same as usual, beryllium and aluminum, boron and silicon. So diagonal relationship refer to the relation between certain pairs of diagonally adjacent elements in the second and the third period, and the characteristics properties also we show discuss in S and P block. So this is called diagonal relationship. So in anomalous behavior is attribute to their small size, large charge, radius ratio, and high electronegativity of the elements. In addition, the first member of group has only 4 valence orbital, means 2s and 2p available for bonding, whereas the second number of the group has 9 valence orbital, 3s, 3p, 3d. As a consequence of this, the maximum covalency of the first member of each group is 4. Boron can only from BF4 negative, where the other members of group can expand their valence shell to accommodate more than 4 pairs of electron. Aluminium forms, means AlF6, charges -3. Further, the first member of P block elements displays greater ability to form pi multiples bond to itself, like that carbon carbon in carbon carbon triple bond ine, nitrogen nitrogen double bond, or nitrogen nitrogen triple bond. And the other second periods elements, means oxygen oxygen double bond, or carbon nitrogen double, or carbon nitrogen triple, or nitrogen oxygen double, complete to subsequent member of the same group. And the next slide, metallic character decrease for right to left, where non-metallic character increase from left to right. And this is due to addition of electrons in various orbital and elements which combine on the two extremes of the periodic table from oxide like peroxide and superoxide. And some are acidic, basic, and neutral on bitter known as amphoteric oxide, and metal from basic oxide, non-metal from acidic oxide. And also the next point, among transitional metal means the 3D, the change in atomic radii is much smaller as compared to those of representative elements across the periods. And the change in atomic radius is still small among inner transitional metal means 4f series. The ionization enthalpies are intermediate between those of S and P block. As a consequence, they are less electropositive than group 1 and 2 metal. So this is the enough part of this chapter, and this is our modern periodic table. Again, you see the colors is high, blue is a high, this color is mild, and this is the low. This is the mild, and this is the lower category. So this is the our modern periodic table. Especially this structure cannot shown in case we move any side. So one part is just blank. So dear student, this is the enough to this chapter, and next video we start to our new chapter. Okay, thank you.